welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, we're going to show you a common problem with a Ford Ecoboost V6 engine, guys. If you have a 3.5, 3.7 and if you guys have coolant, okay, coolant antifreeze in your oil, stay with us and we're going to explain what is causing that. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on every vehicle we get at the shop, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. So again, look at that, we're constantly adding vehicles, so that's our mission, guys. Now the top reason, okay, you have a few reasons why you have coolant in your oil, but number one reason, guys, okay, if your car is not overheating or anything like that, it could be a water pump leaking coolant in your oil. Yes, you heard it right. Most of the times, you know, a water pump leaks outside, but on this engine, guys, the water pump, okay, is driven by the timing chain. This is your water pump right here. And as a result, guys, okay, this water pump stays inside the engine. Okay, let me just show you where that thing stays. Okay, right here. Okay, let me just situate that thing. Perfect, like that. This is your water pump. Now, all that is covered by this timing cover right here. So you cannot see it. Okay, actually you can see the water pump is under this bump right here. And when the water pump fails, guys, okay, usually it could fail two different ways, leaking. Okay, one, it could be through the seal on the front, through the shaft. Okay, but either way, it's going to drip directly in the oil pan. Okay, check this thing out. Down there, this is your oil pan, guys. So it will go directly in the oil. Another reason could be, okay, the gasket, the water pump gasket. And it's a double gasket, but sometimes, guys, it will leak. And you can see, like, this gasket, it got extremely flat. Okay, it's burnt, it's turned into plastic, it's not like rubber anymore, and definitely, guys, causing a leak. And all that will go in the oil. So that's one of the reasons, most common reason. Another, it could be, guys, that you have a bad head gasket. Okay, it could be bad head gasket, and as a result, guys, okay, the oil and the coolant mixed together as well. But the most common one will be that water pump. We have the video on the channel that explains how to remove and replace it. All that will be there. It takes quite a bit of work. You have to take the whole engine apart, you can see. You have to do the timing. And I'll recommend, when you do the pump, okay, to replace actually the timing chain as well. All that will be listed in the description of the video below. And this here as well is the timing too. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.